When the one with the rifle gets killed, the one who is following picks up the rifle and shoots!
Welcome to my follow-up video of my 1942 MOSIN NAGANT 9130 Pick Up the Rifle and Shoot series. I highly suggest watching the original review video first, which I do a quick tabletop and shooting review of how I zeroed at 25 yards with confirmation at 200 yards. I'll put a link in the description and the suggested link above. This follow-up video confirms the taller .35 of an inch front sight post at 100 yards with the rear sight at 1. Let's get on with the shooting. The target I'm using is the Caldwell 8-inch bullseye orange peel target. The center orange bullseye dot is 1 inch and the next circle is 2 inches in diameter. Using the 6 o'clock hold, I proceeded to shoot 5 rounds. Four rounds hit well into the second circle of the target, with the exception of the flyer on the last round. I knew I screwed that one up right when the round went off. Without the flyer, she produced a 1.5 inch group, which is 1.5 MOA at 100 yards. I knew what she's capable of at 200 yards from my first video when she did 2 to 3 MOA, and shooting her at 100 yards confirmed how accurate and capable she is. Well, there you have it. Confirmation that the taller .35 of an inch front sight post works with the rear sight at 1 at 100 yards. My MOSIN continues to surpass all my expectations and will definitely continue to make follow-up videos in the future. Thanks for watching.